In the quiet embrace of a starlit night, a young couple, their hearts overflowing with joy, welcomed their newborn child into the world. Little did they know, a cosmic drama was unfolding, a silent exchange that would forever intertwine their lives with the enigmatic. Across the vast expanse of the universe, a celestial being, driven by an unknown force, descended upon Earth. Under the cloak of darkness, it slipped into the unsuspecting household, leaving behind a gift, an alien infant, and taking the human child in its place. As the days turned into months, the human parents, oblivious to the cosmic swap, nurtured the alien child, a creature of wonder and mystery. It grew at an astonishing pace, displaying abilities far beyond human comprehension. Meanwhile, in a distant galaxy, the alien king, sensing the disturbance in the cosmic balance, dispatched his elite warriors to retrieve his stolen heir. As the two worlds collided, a battle between the human and the alien unfolded, a clash of civilizations and ideologies. The human parents, guided by an ancient prophecy, stood as the guardians of their child, their love and determination fueling their fight against the overwhelming alien force. The alien child, caught in the crossfire, discovered a hidden connection to the human world, a bond forged by love and compassion. It chose its destiny, siding with the humans, using its extraordinary powers to turn the tide of the battle. In the end, the cosmic swap was undone, the human child returned to its rightful parents, and the alien child found its place in the human world, a bridge between two worlds, a symbol of hope and understanding. The alien king, humbled by the power of human love, retreated, leaving behind a legacy of peace and cooperation. And so, the story of the Midnight Swap unfolded, a tale of love, loss, and redemption, a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit, and a reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope and love can prevail.